No.
Paano yung ouch? Popcorn. Apple.
Bunbun na yan eh. Bakit? Nakatulog.
Candy. Cereal.
Alam mo ba niya yung tsura niya sa mirror?
Go.
Go.
Stop.
Stop. Dance.
Yup.
Jump.
Cheese. Cheese.
Crackers.
Ang dami niya memorize.
Train.
Shoes.
More.
Milk. Eat.
Galing.
Water.
Memorize mo talaga.
All gone. All,
Hindi all done.
all done. No more.
No.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.